Morning, I'm back here in my kitchen at home baking savoury scones with caramelised onion jam on the side. Both easy, both using Maggi packets I have in my pantry and quality Westgold butter. Right, into a bowl I'm going to add 2 cups of flour, either 2 cups of self-raising or, if you don't have that, like me, 2 cups of plain and 2 teaspoons of baking powder straight in. Also, we are going to add good old Maggi cheese sauce packet. Next step, the butter. Got my Westgold and I'm going to grate it straight from the fridge. I'm going to scrape it straight into the bowl. I've got a cup of cooked kumara. I've got a cup of chopped up spinach. And I've got a bunch of chives chopped up too. Oh, nearly forgot. 200 mils of milk. Now lightly flour bench top. I'm just going to roll that out. My kitchen is going to start smelling very nice very quickly. Whatever size cutter you like, obviously the larger the scone, the slightly longer the cooking time. Get these on. Little cheese if you like on top. These are going to bake for 15-20 minutes until golden. Earlier we made the scones, these are cooling on the rack here. Now let's get on to our onion jam. In a frying pan, I'll just add some Westgold butter, 4 sliced onions. These are going to go straight into the pan. And we want these to soften. These are going to cook maybe for about 10 minutes or so. We don't actually want them to brown, certainly don't want them to blacken. Into the pan now, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and a couple of teaspoons of brown sugar. We are going to use our special ingredient here, the tomato and onion Maggi sausages mix. Unexpected, I know. I just think it's pretty clever. Something like this, you might not look at this and think I'm going to make caramelised onion jam. But you don't need to be limited by what's on the front of the packet. Make use of what you've got in your pantry. 160 mils of water. I'm going to stir that through. So this is just going to cook down and absorb. Here they are, my savoury scones with caramelised onion jam. I'll spoon some out. Oh, it smells delicious. Both made with packets of Maggi from my cupboard and beautiful Westgold butter too. I like to serve these straight from the oven, just with a little bit of butter.